In this video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT in eToro. It is very easy and quick process. So make sure about this video till the end. Not to buy USDT on your eToro app. First need to open up your eToro app and then log in your account. After this, you need to click on this Discover option from the bottom of your screen or the search icon. After that, this will open up this screen. We can explore all the stocks and cryptocurrencies that you can investment. So from here, you need to click on this search bar at the top of your screen. Then you need to enter USDT in search bar, and from the search result you have to select USDT option. After that, this will open up this similar screen, where you can see the price of your USDT. Now to purchase USDT, only to do is click on the straight button at the bottom of your screen. Then enter the amount from which you want to invest in USDT cryptocurrency and then simply click on this. And once you do that, it will deduct payment from your eToro account and your USDT will be purchased. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.